Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Professionals team. I am Sanjay. We are learning Wordpress Gutenberg tutorial for beginners. This is our part number 5. Inside this video session guys, we will see that how can we work with a downloadable button as well as a list. Inside last video, that is video number 4, we had seen that how can we work with the tables as well as images gallery in Gutenberg. So if I back to admin panel, now go to post. Let's create a post and something I'm going to create, let's say post number 5, as we are learning video number 5. Now inside this I'm going to add a downloadable button. So before using a button, let's understand that what basically it is. Let's suppose we have a website. Inside that website I am going to create a link. While clicking on that link, we want to download an image. Let's say we want to download audio file. Let's say we want to download a video file. So files should be anything like an image, like video or audio. So we are going to create a downloadable button. On clicking on that button, the file attached along with that button should be downloaded. So how can we make? So click on this plus icon. Let's choose a block. So if we see inside this block list, so scroll down and inside this common blocks, we can see here a file is there. So click on that. Now while clicking on this button, a browsing system is enabled here. So we can upload any of the file. It should be either image, audio or video. So let's say that we are going to choose from media library of this setup. So click on this button. Let's say that simply I'm going to choose this image. Click on select. Now here we can see that this block has a name here. It has a download button and copy URL button. So from here we can change the name of this file. Let's say that click here to download, let's say image. Now this is our text. Now here inside this right hand side we can see our custom settings, that is we want this download button or not. If we don't want, simply uncheck that. Now as we can see that here our download button is now hidden. So let's say that we want a download button should be here, so click on that. Now if I publish this page, so click on this a new tab, go inside this page, and here as we can see here, that is a simple URL and this is the text actually we have customized, and here we have a download button. So simply if I click on this download button, now as we can see here the image has been downloaded. Click on that image. Now this is the image actually we have linked with this downloadable button. So simply here we have seen that how can we link a simple image. Back to admin panel. Now inside here, let's say that when we click on this download button, then it will open a new tab. Right now when we click on this button, it will download on this single tab, means on the same tab. So go to admin panel. Now let's say that if we want to enable this, so open a new tab, click on update, go here, reload this page. Now if we click on this download button, not actually on this download button, when we click on this link, as we can see here that we are getting this image into a new tab. If I again back to admin panel, if we disable, click on update, reload this page. Now click on this link. Now the image is opening into the same tab. So this is the difference of checking this open a new tab button. Let's say that we don't want this download button. So simply disable that, click on update, go to front end, reload this page. Now as we can see here, only a single text here. We have no download button. If we click on that, now we have done the setting to open this image into this same tab. Now this is the use of downloadable button. Now instead of this, let's say instead of image, we want that a video should be downloaded. Let's say for video, I'm going to add one more button. So click on this plus icon, click on this file. Now here I'm going to upload a video. So simply, if we want to upload any video from our local system, click on this upload button. So right now this is opening inside this Gutenberg WordPress. Let's say that I'm going to upload the fourth part. But remember, while uploading any big size file, it will give some file exceeds error. So just we need to place a minimum size, let's say about 1 MB or 2 MB file if we want to give the downloadable button inside that video. So simply after uploading that video, we can create the download button as like what we have done with the single text image. So let's say that for now I'm going to remove this block. So this is all about downloadable button inside this Gutenberg block. Now in the second case, we need to discuss about list. So click on this plus icon. Now here we have a list section. So click on that. List is nothing, it is like a format. Let's say that we have something 200 students. Now if we want to make a list, simply we need to write into a proper format. So this is a type of formatting tool. So I am to write, let's say, some developer name. So here is the first developer. Let's say here is the second developer, third developer and the fourth developer. So automatically it is taking a bulleted symbol. So here we have some list and this is properly oriented. So instead of these dots, we want something the serial number like 1, 2, 3 and so on. So go here and as we can see, convert to ordered list. Here we have called convert to unordered list. So if we click on this button, now this is changed from 1, 2, 3 and 4 because for now we have only 4 developer name. Now let's say that we don't want to start about this name from one value. I want that the value should start from 100th position. So go to right side. This is ordered list settings. So here just fill about the start value. So I'm to about the enter about the 100. Now automatically as we can see here, that is 100, 101, 102, 103 and so on. If I click on this enable button, this is reverse list numbering. Click on that. Now this is in reverse order. Now I'm going to disable all these features. We want something 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's say that this is child of this first parent. So how can we make this as a child of this? Simply click on this name and here as we can see that indent list item. So click on that. As we can see here now, this developer is now a child of this. Simply if I again click on this third developer, click here, now we are getting as a child element of this parent. Now let's say that we want to take this away from this listing. Simply click on this name, go here and this is outdent list item. Click on that and simply we have removed. So simply guys, this video demonstrates about the downloadable button as well as list item inside this Gutenberg block tutorial. So inside this video session guys, if you have any doubt, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.